Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about, of course, the numbers for the market share for Windows every month. And it's always interesting to see where we're at. So, of course, we looked at the global stats numbers where Windows 11 is really rising faster and has surpassed 35% of computers or PC around the world. But it's always interesting to see the differences with gamers. And Steam has, of course, its own statistics on the usage of hardware and software and Windows versions. So if we look at their market share numbers in the OS version, it's interesting to note that Windows 11 among Steam users is now at 52%. So there's more people using Windows 11 than Windows 10 in gaming with Steam. And 24H2 does have some new approach and new ways of making games faster also. So maybe this is also helping out in seeing that this number grew by 4.3%. So, I see it all the time. Gamers are often the ones that have the latest hardware and are more inclined to be enthusiasts that want to try new things. And especially if in any way somebody or, even Microsoft tells them that games could be even better on Windows 11, it's for sure that they will try it. So that's the pretty high number here in these machines. 46% still on Windows 10, but that drop is 2.7%, almost 3%. It's a pretty big drop. And, of course, a very, very small 0.2% for Windows 7. Almost no one using Windows 7 anymore for gaming. So very interesting numbers here. And if you look at Mac OS and Linux, 2%. Mac OS 1.4%. So almost funny that Linux is actually higher than Mac on gaming. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.